Hi guys, today I will show you how to type in months without having to repeat every single day. So every single month, I'm sorry. So just type in Jan and then press Control key on your keyboard, and then at the same time take your cursor on the edge of the cell and then left hand click of your mouse and scroll down. Sorry, you press Alt key, not Control key. Then it populates the months. So after it finishes the December, it picks up January again. So this is the way to do months. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.